Start. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's vision of education as a means to cultivate not just intellectual growth but also moral, emotional, and spiritual development resonates deeply with the ideals that our society should uphold. Stop. It is heartening to see this philosophy being emphasized as it reminds us that education is not just about imparting knowledge but also about nurturing responsible and ethical citizens. Stop. Para. The article rightly points out the changing dynamics between teachers, students, and parents, which have led to a decline in the role of teachers in delivering moral values. Stop. This shift is indeed a matter of concern and it highlights the need for a collective effort to restore the essential bond between educators and students. Stop. Para. Moreover, the discussion on private educational institutions prioritizing academic success over moral values raises vital questions about the future of our education system. Stop. The article serves as a timely reminder that education should aim at not only academic excellence but also the holistic development of individuals. Stop. Para. In conclusion, Dharmapalan's article serves as a wake up call for our education system to re-evaluate its priorities and recommit to imparting moral values alongside knowledge. Stop. It reminds us that education should not just equip students with information but also empower them to make informed and morally sound decisions, ultimately contributing to the betterment of society and the nation as a whole. Stop.